In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color in Base44. Let's get started right inside the Base44 interface. First, make sure you're in the correct app or project where you want to adjust your text. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Visual Edit. This is usually found in the editor area, and it's what allows you to work directly on your page or content instead of dealing with code or complex settings. Go ahead and click on Visual Edit. This will open up a live visual version of your page, so you can see exactly what you're changing as you make edits. Now that you're in Visual Edit mode, the next step is to choose the content you want to update. Move your mouse over the page and find the specific text or element whose color you want to change. This could be a heading, a paragraph, a button label, or any other text-based component. Click once on that element to select it. When it's selected, you should see some kind of editing panel or toolbar appear, usually on the side or at the top, showing options related to typography and styling. In that styling area, look for the text style section. This is where you typically see settings like font family, size, weight, and alignment. Right next to those options, you'll find a small color icon or swatch. It might look like a colored circle or a square showing the current text color. Click on that color icon. This is your entry point to the color controls for that specific piece of text. After clicking the icon, a color picker or text color panel will appear. Here's where you actually change the text color. You can usually do this in a couple of ways. You can select from preset colors, drag around within a color gradient, or if you know the exact color code you need, you can enter a hex or RGB value. Take a moment to choose a color that works well with your background and keeps your text readable. Once you're happy with your selection, the change should apply immediately to the text on your page. When you're done, remember to save or publish your changes, depending on how your Base44 setup works. That's all you need to do to change text color in Base44 using the